Okay, we got Jackson over here about to light my whole pack of smoke bombs. We got 2 whites, a yellow, a green, and a blue. So yeah, let's see what it all comes out to.
Smoke bombs phenomenal.
6 colors. You got the whites, the blues, and the green. All those colors blend together, so pretty. Oh, look at that smoke, guys. I love that, honestly. Like, 3 colors did and 3 colors didn't. Whoa, look at that smoke, guys. It's so awesome. But thank this little man right here. Look up at my phone. And then my daddy.
Here, want me to do more smoke?
Now we're gonna do some more fireworks. But before we begin, hey guys, it's Danielle. Welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to be doing some fireworks again. And this is going to be a like part 3, I think. But we already did a lot, so it's not gonna be much. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and hit the button to be notified every time I post. And also, guys, tomorrow is 4th of July. Woo! So yeah, woo! We so excited. Yeah, we're both gonna be vlogging. So we got some stuff. I did this whole bag right here. Color smoke balls. Now I think I'm gonna do a crackle ball again. I already did one a few minutes ago. There's my daddy. And don't do this without parent supervision. Don't do this without adult watching you. He's kind of nervous, I can tell. Okay, I can't use the lighter. I don't know how. But I have this crackler.
I'll take that.
Thank you. And then after I'm going to do a Roman. Comment down below what kind of firework is your favorite. And is that it? And guys, the reason that was so close is because I zoomed in. I wasn't that close. I zoomed in. So now my brother's going to light a Roman.
No, I'm gonna light
a ground fire.
Okay, guys. First, I'm gonna light a ground fire, and then I'm gonna light
my Roman.
What?
My Roman. I'm so not excited for Thursday. It's cleanup day. Also, we're gonna be doing a slip and slide, so I can vlog that too.
We're doing a slipping slide tomorrow?
Yes.
What?
Apparently, my brother didn't know that. So yeah.
Okay, is it watching?
Yep.
Okay, guys. So we need to have this on like. Woo!
Wait, Jackson, do mine first. Okay, guys. So, ooh, it's just me and my Roman. I'm gonna sip that nothing. Hopefully you guys can see that. Woo!
Put it up!
Jumping.
Jumping!
Sorry, bro.
Right in time, brother. all of our gear really.
So, I almost killed my dad's friend.
I just got invited to Kenny Chesney. I just got invited to the Kenny Chesney concert. I ain't going.
So look at my daddy's big strawberries. My dad has this whole garden. You know, it's a turtle.
Wouldn't you think?
Sorry, Dad.
Dad, wouldn't you think that Jonathan would want to go around the panel? I'm gonna ask him. Maybe all three of us can do.
You dropped something.
One.
Okay. So my brother's gonna light this baby. This is my best daddy ever. Okay, you guys are gonna watch him do a romance.
Nobody shuts the gate. I was gonna go do it.
Huh?
I'm gonna go do it.
Oh, hell yeah. I gotta plug my phone in real quick.
Scaredy cat.
That's Jonathan, my dad's best friend. He's lit. Hey, Jonathan, what do you say? We come from the south, so we? Yeah. Say it for yourself.
Pawns of Satan.
Okay, Jackson, come light this baby for me.
What baby?
This baby. What baby? So we're gonna do a golden flower. Wow! Guys, I'm zooming and I'm not doing anything else. So, wait, Jonathan, don't start. I want to get you on camera and I'm going to introduce you, okay?
The only way to be savage is you jump over the bottom. I'm not jumping.
We used to have bottle rocket wars.
This is my dad's friend, Jonathan.
What are you on, live or something?
YouTube. Like a YouTube video.
Oh, I don't even know nothing about no YouTube stuff.
Yeah.
How do I get on that?
Sis, move! You
George?
Jonathan, what are you doing? Move! Holy crap. Jonathan's like, what is this?
We used to have bottle rocket wars when I was growing up.
Oh, shoot.
Chase each other and shoot each other.
You're a dwarf.
I'm a strong dwarf, though. I'm a strong dwarf.
Introduce yourself. Say your name. You can have him. Except he's going to be $10,000. Jonathan, you're going to kill the little... Jackson, don't die on me.
Get that YouTube out of here.
Nope.
I don't want to be on YouTube.
Too bad.
Jonathan!
Well, put just my new shirt.
Ooh,
Just
cool.
got it for the party.
For what party?
Your party.
What party? Tomorrow?
Me flex! Huh?
There's gonna be a slip and slide too.
Oh, really? Where's it going to be? Back there?
Yeah, on the grass over there.
He needs to mow it.
Jonathan!
You don't want to mow it?
He's all tattooed up, man.
Jonathan, want to know what I'm gonna get? I'm gonna get all the girls!
That's John.
Get out of here with that YouTube.
You can't stop me. I'm a motherfucking freak. Daddy.
Live.
Oh,
YouTube.
zoom in fully on my daddy. When I see that face. Don't worry, guys.
No Kenny Chesney?
No, I'm going to
That'd be a pretty good character.
I'm going to go to Minnesota.
Minnesota. Minnesota.
I'm going to Minneapolis.
Oh, really? When?
Friday.
This Friday?
Yeah, I'll come back Sunday or Monday.
To Minneapolis.
Party on a boat, and then...
You're flying all the way to Minneapolis for that.
And I got to help Jake.
Jackson.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna do 2 crackle balls at once. like that. Jackson, why do you have to make everything your way? Okay, guys, he's having trouble.
Sorry, only one.
They pop in half. So they're together like that. Oh, God. Jackson! You okay, bro? So what they are is they start full, but then they do that. Oh, no.
Saying why he can't do what I asked him to do. Bees.
Missed the action. That's lame. Sipping on fire. Wait. Okay, guys. You gonna do this? 2 sparklers. You have to light it on the bottom down there. Yay, now I can light it. What are you doing? Let's go.
Hey, Karate Master!
Woo! Oh, that one. That. Okay.
Celebrate good times. Suburgans!
Oh! These are pretty fire.
And you're watching Disney Channel.
Woo!
I like to flip my lighter. I flip it in the air.
Okay, guys, that one was kind of a doozy, so now we're only gonna do one.
I don't know where it's going.
Oh, sorry, guys, that was horrible footage. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. That is it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell to be notified every time I post.
35.
And I will see you tomorrow on 4th of July.
I want all these smoke bombs and everything picked up.
Okay, Dad. And also tomorrow, we're doing a flip and slide. And we're going to have some friends and family over and stuff. But I love you so much. Peace out, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Happy 4th of July.